Alex with MarylandMoto.com, here to show you today how to change the battery in a Triumph Tiger 800. This is a 2019 XCA, but it should be pretty much the same for any Triumph Tiger. It's a really simple install. All you need is your key, a screwdriver, this is a Phillips head, and your new battery. I'm also wearing gloves because I like clean hands. I'm going to take the seat off here, and then I'll bring the camera in closer to give you guys a good look at what I'm doing underneath the seat. Alright, so taking the seat off is that easy, and I'll bring you guys in closer right now. Alright, here we are underneath the seat. So removing the battery should be pretty simple. It's got this strap across the top. Just pull loose with the screwdriver. A plastic cover. I already have a battery tender lead in here, so that's what this is. But then your two main bike leads are just underneath the battery right there. To remove the battery, you always want to start with the negative terminal. With those, and we're going to put the screws back in, since our new battery will come with screws as well. And then once the negative is detached, you can safely move over to the positive terminal. And then you can lift your old battery out. And here is the new lithium battery that we're going to be installing. Most lithium batteries are a little bit smaller than the lead acid batteries that your bike comes with. So they'll come with these little pieces of foam. They also come with instructions to tell you how to cut and put them on to make your new battery about the same height as your old one. So we're just going to put this in, slide it on down into the battery box. Make sure it seats down in there nicely, and we're going to be able to get to the terminals, and that looks like that's going to be just fine for us. And we're going to do the opposite of installation. So we're going to start with the positive terminal. You get the positive terminal snugged down, and you can slide the cover over top of it. And then you can move on to the negative terminal. Once that one is snugged down as well, put your cover back in place. And reattach battery strap. Pretty sure Satan designed these, So it may take you just a minute. There we go. Everything is secure. Alright, so you've got your battery installed. The next step that you're going to want to do is put your key in the ignition, set your date and time. That should remove the maintenance indicator or wrench icon from your dash, and you should be good to go. If you have a check engine light or anything else going on, there might be a bigger issue, so you'll want to double check your work. Now, right now, when I'm filming, this is about 2.5 months after the first part of that video was filmed. So I have a little bit of a short-term review to give you guys. Now, full disclosure, I did not pay for this battery. I was writing a piece for Adventure Motorcycle magazine, and Bikemaster was kind enough to send me a lithium-ion battery and a compatible battery charger. And it's been running great. It works just like a battery should. The bike is started every time. It's run heated gear. I've had my phone or Bluetooth communicator charging while the bike was off. It hasn't had any issues. If there was any manufacturing defects or anything like that, probably would have showed up already. But as far as I'm concerned, the Bikemaster is a pretty good value compared to some of the other lithium-ion battery options available. If you have any questions for me, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. I'm on Instagram at MarylandMoto. You can find written information, reviews, and such online at MarylandMoto.com. I'm also writing, as I mentioned before, for Adventure Motorcycle magazine, so look for my name on the byline there. And if you like what I'm doing here with my videos, please subscribe, like the video. If you have any suggestions for what I can do better, certainly leave those in the comments below. For my on-bike videos, I certainly know the audio quality can be better, and I'm doing the best I can to make that better, but it is a learning process. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.